today, I think my heart is overwhelmed with joy as we see the University of Nairobi, being the oldest university in Kenya, moving away from being an ivory tower to actually delivering the mandate that is godly, and that is to subdue the earth.
At GGI, it's the Green Generation Initiative. What we do, we work to protect, conserve, and restore the environment. We work with schools and with children and young people and women across Kenya. Just over the long rains early in the year, we were able to visit over 600 schools across Kenya in 14 countries, planting over 50,000 trees. And for us, our model is very robust. We go beyond just planting a tree and saying kudos, but we actually grow the trees and we help the schools monitor the growth of their trees.
Safaricom, we have a commitment to be net carbon free by 2050. We have this biodiversity program to plant trees because we have quite a lot of infrastructure across the country. We have 7,000 sites, we have data center, we have fiber, and the process of that we appreciate as a responsible corporate citizen that the process of building an infrastructure in many times displaces the environment. So we want to make sure that we can grow back part of that. We invested 15 million to plant trees. We are targeting 250,000 trees. And again, this is part of the many other programs that Safaricom has done, including the 5 million trees that we are planting with the Kenya Forest Service, of which we are halfway, 2.5 million. I'm happy to see that quite a number of Safaricom staff are here, with a big number also from my division, technology. So we want to encourage staff to participate in planting trees in all the initiatives. I know our team that takes care of partnerships and social responsibility, every time they call upon us as staff is to come out and really play our part and plant the trees and also follow through.